Hi everybody, nice little quick short. Say number one, happy Labor Day, and number two, I want to show you something really fun I found with my wood miser today. Okay, I was milling today. I had a very unremarkable small oak log. I thought I was going to get a 4x4 cant, so 4 1x4 pieces of oak. But it turns out that it is spalted. So I left it all rough edge. I have a lot of nice little scrap sizes over here. Got more over here. And even some more over here. Look at this grain. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous stuff. All right, well that's it. I'm just gonna have a little picnic with the girls.